Okay, Kevin, come on.
Yeah, so we would like to introduce first. All Roos light bulbs are smart. So when we test or when we try the switches, the lighting may be flash. So that means that doesn't mean some abnormal situation because we cannot find a non-smart bulb into our office.
Okay, so the first one is that you already say that it's very familiar in our house. It's the MCB. Now it's turned off. Pretend this is the whole room lighting control systems. Now the MCB is turned off, and you can say it can turn on our switches.
Yeah, no electricity just now, and we use the app to turn on the circuit breaker device. So the lighting can be turned on.
Yeah, and now I can control it. Okay, also we have some functions we just mentioned.
Yes, so for example, in the app interface, you can see the power consumption, current, and the voltage functions. And below, we have like the protection functions. If you have the electricity leakage, and also for some other overcurrent overload, you will receive the alarm messages. Yeah, and also you can set up some limitation for consumptions.
Yes. So this is our first product, and the second one we'd like to share with you the smart switch without no neutral wire. You can see it, but it's a smart switch. This is the smart switches, and this one is the dimmer switch. Now you can dim up or dim down the lightness.
Yeah. So as long as the lighting is dimmable, so you don't need to replace the lighting fixture. You just need to use the dimmer. So to receive, to achieve these functions.
Yes. Okay. The next function we want to show you that the three-way switch we just mentioned. For example, we have two smart switches here. If we want to control these two bulbs together, I've already pressed it that these two buttons can control them together, and these two bulbs can controlled by anyone. For example, now it's on. And also I can turn off it by using this button.
So this is the second time, right? The second time. So we link the switches through the cloud, through the app.
Yes.
Yes.
And also we have a various switch which can control the same app.
Which one? Which bulb?
This bulb.
Yeah, that's right.
For example, I've already preset that this button, the first button can control the same bulb together with our wall switch. Now I turn on by our wall switch, and I can turn off it.
Yeah. So this is a third type.
Third type. Yeah. Third type.
The remote switch plus a wire switch.
Yeah.
Wireless plus a wire.
Yeah, it's much more cost effective.
Yes. So, and this one you can stick anywhere you want.
Yeah.
So it's because it's wireless.
You can stick to even in the wall.
Yes.
Okay. Next one is next one we would like to share with you a smart module. You can see that this module can be flush mounted in our mounting box. I already finished the constructions. Yeah. So this one is a traditional switch. You can say that it's a toggle. The toggle switch, the toggle traditional switch can still working, and also it can control by our app. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can. Cool. Okay.
Yes.
It's off. Okay. So also you can preset some timer or schedule on our app by make this traditional ones to be smart.
Yes.
Yeah. This one for the lighting retrofit, and also have the dimmer retrofit. Yeah. Yeah. But we don't have a dimmer switch now.
Yeah. So not only for the lighting switch, but also for the dimmers. And also we have for the contain motor.
Imagine this is a traditional curtain motor. Yeah, you can just mount this module inside, and the traditional curtain switch will be smart. Okay, so let's come to our interesting part. We just mentioned the smart hub, the smart USB hub.
Yeah, so for this one, as you can see, we have a USB 3 port here. So you can use it to transfer some data, and also because as you know, there are many accessories on desk with a USB port power supply. So we have we prepare some LED and also some fans, some
mini fans,
some table lamp for them those devices. And this one you can control per port, no matter on, off, or timer. And also this, as I said, high-speed USB 3 port. Yeah, I think this one can be very good for electronics market, consumer electronic market. Yeah, and also online selling. This is a very new product.
Yeah, it's commonly used in our desk, working desk.
Yes.
Because there are too many USB lines.
Yeah. So if you have many devices, many lines on the desk, this one can also help you to clear up all the desk, make it
it be more tidy.
Yeah, more tidy.
Yeah. Okay, so so we can demonstrate how it works now. Okay, it's part on. The mini fan already begin to work.
Yes.
And also,
the fan is running.
Yeah. Also, if you don't want to control them by our app, you can also by calling the Alexa. I want to turn off the power on my desk. It will be turned off. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. The last one is our button. For this button, we will, for example, if I want to leave our home, I want to power on all of the lights or the power source in my home. So I can, when I come home, all lights can be turned on automatically with just one click. And also when I leave home, I want just one click, all lights will be off. And also you can define what devices you want to control with this trigger actions.
Yeah, you can set up for different devices. This is just an example for leaving home or coming home.
Yeah. And
you can match even for SOS function for this one, send an alarm message. Very useful.
Yeah, it can, for the elder or the kids, it's just push the buttons and maybe push a message to your phone and you know something happened.
Yes.
Yeah. So here are our products we want to show you today. Yeah. Oh, last one. Yeah, we have a very big one.
Yes, it's a big one.
Yeah. We just mentioned that the garage door opener. Of course, we don't have a garage today.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we have the traditional garage motor. Yeah.
The sound is very small. It's very tiny because it's quite silent actually. But we next to the machine, the device, we can hear the sound. It's running.
Yeah. This one is a product very tiny, and
this is a controller.
Yeah, this is a controller, and also it's connected with a door sensor. The door sensor can help us to check whether the garage is open or closed real time to check the status.
Yes.
If you forget that, it will push a message to your phone to close it.
Yes.
Okay, so.
Yep. So this is basically some examples, demonstrations we made today, and thank you guys. So let's back to the questions you have, so we can answer accordingly.
You can leave messages at chat box, or you can just unmute yourself and just speak out.
Okay, I think I answered most of your questions. Yeah, we have many questions today. And actually, we have a team of products and the technical team here. to answer help
Can see our email now.
answer questions. And okay, so for the following ones, I will ask Stacy and Gavin for you. Okay.
Mhm.
So Martin asked that for the two-way solution with the remote control, do you need LMN in the receiver switch?
Yeah. If the wall switch for the receiver switch is if it's to LN9, like the Wi-Fi, the normally Wi-Fi smart switch is needed the neutral wire. Yeah, but it's a smart switch, like we mentioned, it's a ZigBee version which can no need the no neutral wire, so it can forget it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And next one, Gustavo asked, how does the single large switch work?
It's a very complicated
Yeah.
question. Yeah. How I can say that? You know that once there is no neutral wire, the smart switch is will be cut off the power.
Mhm.
So the technology that we combine some power from the luminaires.
Mhm.
Yeah, it has some exist power in the electron lines.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like lighting fixtures,
Yeah.
luminaires.
Yeah, the lighting fixtures or the luminaires can provide some exist power.
So we'll bring some power over there.
So, but the power supply is
Very weak.
Yeah, it's
very
very weak and very limited. So it was a big challenge for us to keep our smart module. The power consumption can be as lower as we can,
Mhm.
and also we have to enhance the power. The hardware technologies to get more power from the luminaire.
So you need make the module very low consumption, power consumption.
Yeah.
And yeah, sure.
Yes. And now the one wire switches, the ZigBee version is ready now.
Yeah, ZigBee is ready. Wi-Fi will be ready in Q4.
Wi-Fi and also the Bluetooth BLE version will be ready in Q4.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Another question about one wire switch.
Thank you. Okay.
Great, thank you, Edison.
Mhm.
Do you have any other questions?
Yes. I want to ask about the MCB. I always see videos that. Hello?
Hi.
Yes,
Hi.
we mute just now. Now it's okay. Please go ahead.
I want to ask about the MCB.
Yeah.
How many lights can I connect with the MCB? Because I always see videos that toy MCB connects just to one light or two lights. Can I connect it to every light in the home?
Yeah, so MCB, let me explain to you engineers here. MCB 那个设备应该是连不同的设备吧？
可以播入的，不知道。Yeah, we have. Yeah, you can choose.
Hi, sir. Let me explain to you. The MCB can support different device like single phase to control the air conditioning, one phase to control the lights, something. So we have the solutions for the different device in the homes. Yeah.
Okay. What about if I want to connect it to all devices in the home? I mean, like I want to get a big MCB that can power up and meter the whole home, so I can know the electricity consumption. You know what I mean?
Yes. You can install the one brick for control the whole house. If you leave home, you can power off the brick. Then everything the device is no power.
So one breaker can do all devices.
Yes.
Yeah, we can.
Should I get one phase or two
No, we
phase?
have the one phase and the three phase breakers. Like if you have three phase in the home, you can buy the three phase breaker. If you have only one phase, you can buy one phase breaker for installation.
Okay, I left my email privately with
Yeah.
Toy
Okay.
Smart. So please, I want to know more information about the MCB because I'm doing hardcore business in Saudi Arabia, so I want to know more about it.
Okay,
Thank
okay. You know the breaker is powerful. Not only the protection, also can calculate measurement to the power and the energies and the voltages. You can
Yes,
you
that's
have
why.
Yes, thank you.
That's why I want it. I want to measure the electricity for saving energy.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Sergio from Brazil. Hello. First, thanks for the presentation. It was very interesting. We got a lot of ideas so we can implement that solutions here in Brazil. About the 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz module, when they are become available, and do you have any idea of the price of the module so we can start developing it?
Yeah, the module already launched and it's already mass production. And I applied to some products like the big home appliance and some products. Yeah, but the cost of course is higher than the normal module.
Okay, so yes, so for the 2.4G plus 5G Wi-Fi chipset, it's more expensive. So
yeah,
it depends on different markets and purpose. So if you, because some markets, they are very insisting for 5G Wi-Fi network, but the price is significantly different compared with the Wi-Fi 1. All the Wi-Fi plus BLE, the current one.
Okay, got it. Another thing about Bluetooth and Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth module, we already started production with this new module. And you said that in the next quarter you will have Bluetooth functionality, so I can connect to the device using Bluetooth, right?
yes.
Okay, so it's like for September, October, or maybe August.
For the Bluetooth remote control, you mean?
Yes, yeah.
I think maybe actually for the product, the module will be, or the technology will be maybe in August, but the product may be launched in September. Yeah.
Yeah.
Later, yeah.
The products that are already started production, I can update that functionality by firmware OTA, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's fantastic. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. So any other questions?
So today we have the longest webinar. I think everyone can learn something from the video, and it's also our hope.
Yes. Good
Yeah.
morning. Well, here in America.
Good morning.
Sorry, guys, I woke you up, but yes, I have a question. My name is Luis, and well, I am very interested in the in-wall switch, smart switch that you showed us today.
Yeah.
But my real interest is, are you working in the measures on the in-wall switch for America? Because the square that you showed us today for the measures of the product, it's too big for the intakes of electrical intakes here in America. Are you working for some in-walls that it's very like small, not so large that you showed us today?
You mean the US type?
Exactly. Yeah, the US type.
Yeah, we actually had the US type. I'm not pretty sure. Did you notice or not?
The dimmer switch. Okay, I will switch the cameras.
Yeah, thank you.
This one, yeah, this one is US type.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's larger, not square, right? Is that what you mean?
Yeah, but that's like a wall plate. I'm meaning like the smart switch, like in wall, like the behind from that
Oh,
switch.
You mean the module?
You mean this one?
Yes, exactly. Yes, exactly.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you mean you are worried that
The size?
the size
Yes.
is too large for the US type. In
Yes,
the
because here in America, the electrical boxes are smaller than in China and Asia and
Maybe.
Europe too.
Yeah, for the US type, normally the just a one gun control. Maybe the size can be smaller.
Yeah, exactly. Are you working on something smaller, or it's going to be like a universal measure type?
Yes, we can working on that because currently maybe this one is much more widely used in European market, so the size is okay. So we got the questions and I think we can working on that.
Some suppliers, I believe they already have the US type.
Yeah, but it's
Yes.
a commonly used type.
Common use
Yeah,
type.
commonly used type.
Okay.
Thank you, guys.
Okay, thank you. Thank you
Hi.
for your advice.
Hi,
Yeah.
Daisy. This is
Hi.
Sergio from Brazil. We are producing some modules like this one, and it works with the US standard because here in Brazil we use the US switch, all switch. So it can work for the Americans too. We have this one in Brazil, so this is okay for the United States too.
Okay.
Just two, you know.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
And in case you have any further questions, I leave the email at the chat box of LAFEA service@tuya.com. You can also send email to this mailbox. Okay.
Okay.
And for more products, you can search expo at .tuya.com. I put the link at chat box also, and you can check this website for more products. Yes, except for electrical.
Yeah. I didn't show you.
Yes. Oh, okay, so it's quite a good time staying with you guys. So I think here it's time to say goodbye. And thank you again for joining us. And please look forward to our following webinars. We'll talk about security, door lock, and sensors and home appliances in July. And we will send you the invitation, and please feel free to join us. Yeah. So I think it's all for today.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Thank you.
So
Thank you,
see you
guys.
next time.
Bye.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.